to show you one of the mermaids on top of the dolphin there in one of the fountains. Shows you how big they are. These 4 lions are sitting on these huge concrete plinths here at the base of Nelson's column here in Trafalgar Square. Over 100 foot tall with Nelson right at the top there. The 4th plinth, which is changed for different artists. Oh, their fountains have gone off at the moment. Looking back towards Trafalgar Square there, and Canada House on your left, ladies and gentlemen, is the National Gallery. Then next to it we have the National Portrait Gallery, where you can get around London town. These are called Boris bikes. You can hire one of these, do your own sightseeing, as long as you're not afraid of weaving in and out of the traffic. It's the Hard Rock Cafe here, Piccadilly Circus. Looking that way up towards Regent Street, there's the famous Shaftesbury Avenue there on the right hand side, advertising for the London Pavilion. There's the Citron Theatre, 1708 the Worlds. And the famous statue of Eros there. Fortunately the fountain's not working today. Best ways to get around properly is on one of the London sightseeing tours. You can just hop on and off wherever you want to, and they take you around. It's the iconic London Underground sign there between the middle of Leicester Square and Piccadilly. There's the Bubba Gump Shrimp Co restaurant. For those of you that like Forrest Gump, run Forrest run. Plenty of shrimp on the menu. Chinatown's renowned for its famous restaurants. You can also get your delicacies from the little Chinese markets that are tucked away. Chinatown Bakery, here we go. Teriyaki ice cream and your homemade baker's delicacies. And here's the magnificent entrance to the London's Chinatown. Do all kinds of events celebrating the Chinese New Year. Looking back towards the Swiss clock there in the middle, which is right by Lego World. The Leicester Square's got these colourful bronze statues around. There's finest comedy sketches there. Acting, professional, the bronze of Mr. Bean. And lastly, Paddington Bear. There was also a famous children's TV character who liked his marmalade sandwiches. Here you can buy your tickets for all the London shows from the red booth there. Cinema and theatre all around. And the wonderful marble statue of William Shakespeare, author and playwright. And that building there with it arched right in the centre of it, that's the Empire.